A circular cylinder of diameter 50 millimeter and axis 60 mm resting on HP such that its axis inclined at an angle of 45 degree. A circular cylinder of diameter 50 millimeter is the diameter and axis length 60 mm is there, resting on HP such that its axis is inclined 45 degree to HP. Axis is inclined 45 degree to HP and also inclined 45 appears to be inclined. Appears means we will not get a locus line. So we will draw this circular lamina with the help of sketch. Right. Now 50 mm diameter circle, and we will take projectors from all the point. Before that we will divide this circle So 50 mm diameter, will divide this by 90. Already we divided, only 4 parts I will divide. Right, each part is having 90 degree. Now we will name AA1, OO1, BB1, CC1, DD1, having phi of 50 degree, 50 millimeter. Then height is 60 mm. We'll take height 60 millimeter. You can divide it by divider, or you can take with the help of scale. Right. Now only border will be made dark. Because cylinder is not having any edges, we are taking a construction lines. Right, these are not edges, we are taking a construction lines. Because of that, only border will make dark, and A1 is there. We will give arrow marks. This is A1 dash, this is A dash, O1 dash, O dash. Along with that, B1 is there, B1 dash into bracket D1 dash, which is not visible, B dash, D dash. This is C1 dash, C dash. Next position, axis is inclined at an angle of 45 degree. Base inclination is also 45 degree. 90 minus 45 is 45 degree. Now we'll mark. I will take 45 degree from this point. You are taking base inclination 45 degree. With thin line I will join. Right, with thin line you have to join this 45 degree line, and then this point is called as C1 dash. Next we'll cut it by C1 dash to A1 dash distance. See, C1 dash to A1 dash. By keeping at C1 dash, cut it by A1 dash distance, and take, and also there is B dash, T dash or O1 dash, another distance. So take this distance. So all the distances are same. This is called as O1 dash, or can call it as B1 dash, B1 dash. Now we'll take 90 degree from all the point. Next we'll cut it by 60 millimeter height. This is 60 millimeter height is there, so we'll cut it by 60 mm height. Now we'll take the distance 60 mm. On all the side I have to cut 60 millimeter arc. And then we'll draw line. Through this 90 degree I am drawing till this arc. Then we'll join these 2 points first. Then we'll take this line, then we'll make this base dark. Right, this I have taken 45 degree, 90 minus 45 degree will get it as axis inclination 45 degree. Now we'll check whether we got 45 degree or not, plus or minus error will be there. So we got exactly 45 degree. Right, we should get 45 degree, and this is A dash, this is O dash, B dash, D dash, C dash. Right. Now we'll draw the projectors from all the point. And also we'll draw in vertical direction parallel to this. Now this point is called as O1 dash, this point is called as O dash. Here we will get A1, B1, C1, D1, and this is A, B, C, D. So there is variation. Right, now we got all the points. Here we'll draw one more time. Now the point which is away from the observer when you are viewing from this side is C1 dash. Here C1 point is here. The line joining to this point are dash line. That is nothing but we'll get arc here, will not get so this arc is dash. Then another arc will draw. So this is not arc. We have to draw freehand sketch. Right. Next from here continuous. This and from A point to D. Only that part is dark. Then we'll join B to B, D to D. Because other edges are not there, so we have to draw arc and give the arrow marks. In third position also, this O1 appears to be inclined. Because of that, we'll take 45 degree line from this point. And then we'll mark O point here. We'll cut it by O1 distance. Here we'll get O1 point. And then we'll take other points. O to D I am taking, or you can take O to B, O to D, O to B, and also O to D, O to B. Then we'll take O to D, you can take O to D1, you can take, all the distance will be same. We got 4 points. This is D1, this is D, this is B, B1, this is B. Now another 4 points. We'll take distance C to O1, or you can take O1 to A1, or you can take C to all the distance will be same. Now we'll draw arc on all the side, keeping at O point. Now this point is A1, this point is C1, this point is A, this point is C. Now we'll draw the arcs. And then we'll join D to D1, B to B1. Third position will be difficult to draw, but still we'll try. It is 45 degree. Now we'll draw projector from all the point. D1 is there till here we'll get A1, C1, D, so this point is C1 dash. Now we'll draw projector in horizontal direction. So we will get all the points. This is A point, A dash. Next, this is B point, B dash, C dash, D point, D dash. C1 dash is there. Next, one more line I have forgotten. We'll draw B dash, B1 dash, B1 dash, C point, C dash, C1 dash, sorry, this is D1 dash, C1 dash, B1 dash, and this is A1 dash. Now we'll draw curve so that all the points should pass through right, and then we'll join tangents. So it should be an arc. It is difficult to draw here, but still this is the third position. Thank you.